We have this nasty looking dent on the GMC Yukon. It's not going to be easy dent. It's very, very difficult. The metal here as well is very tough, very hard to work with. Another thing with this truck is that it doesn't have access from this side. So I had to remove the headlights so I can access it from the back side. Right now it's got plenty of opening. I can basically slide hand to the back side of this dent, and you probably can see it's flexing a little bit. But anyhow, I'm gonna start this process with the glue pull and pull as much as I can. Keep the repair area as clean as I can with the glue pull, and then hit that with the tools. So stay tuned and see what's gonna be the outcome. So this is what it looks like now here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna use a tactical hammer head to create myself a leverage point here. But first let's glue pull this dent here. So let's clean this area with some rubbing alcohol. Alright, so let's put our first glue and let's give it time a little bit. Now let's pull it. It started going back in its place. I was able to pull this area here. The body line here returned back in its position. I have a large buckle right here that I'm gonna have to deal with later, and now I still have an indentation right here, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and pull this. So let's place our tab like that, give about 10 seconds and pull it. Hard pull. I'm gonna stop right there, and I want to remove the tap and see what's going on behind. I don't want to over pull as well. This glue has very strong pulling force, so you can easily create some mountains of the metal. And then spend half day on putting it back together. So now this is what it looks like. As we can see, it's slowly moving. I want to pull this little area here, and then I want to pull that area, and then this area, and see where it's gonna take me. So this is what it looks like here from this angle with the light reflection. As you guys can see, it looks a lot worse than without the light. With this light you can see all little imperfections. I'm gonna continue pulling, but instead of using a slide hammer, I want to use my mini lifter. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this buckle. I want to knock this down as much as I can, and I want to create that metal flow. I want to make that metal to flow this way, right? And then once I do this, once I finish with this, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to do my glue pulling, some more glue pulling right in this area. So for my blend work, I'm gonna use my magic hammer, and I'm going to use this tip from Ultra Dent tools. So this is what it looks like now. Not perfect by any means, but hey, we are slowly moving forward. So what I want to do now, I want to continue glue pulling. I want to pull this area. Now check this out, guys. This is my leverage point here, and this is what it looks like right now. So I'm gonna work on this area right here. And this is what it looks like right now. I am about 50% done and still going and going strong, so we should be done soon. Alright, so now I'm in one of the most difficult stages where I have to do all this cross-checking and make sure that everything looks good. If you guys remember, the dent was right on the body line. It was very severe, crushed body line. It was about 11 inches. Now this is closest we can get. Closest we can get. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please like and subscribe to see some more cool stuff like this. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.